Okay, so right now we are in Cumbria. We're heading to Lake District. If you turn the camera to the right, you will see all the mountains. Oh, there's a bush, but yeah, but and going to Lake District, and I think we're like going to go to the one of the highest mountains or something.
Wala po ni kwarta diri, Brad. Mau lagi. Ditong improve siya nakatras. Munang ditong intadan improvements ka rin. Amot nga no na. Sa at least car line lang. Okay lang din siya. At least 5 days. Secured 5 days.
Can I have one sheep?
32. Ang mileage dito na may claims. 45p per mile. Mao man ang ginahin mo sa Obanzi? Mga taga-London. Especially dito. Dito lang sa banda sa
Addiction.
Ano na ay mag-farm ka.
Cumbria?
Nanakas bukid nun, nanakas Kalilangan. Yeah, this is still part of Cumbria. On the other side of the mountain is Scotland already.
Because this is already border, isn't it?
Cross the sea, that's Scotland.
Oh, look at that mountain up ahead. Are you gonna go there?
You'll to fly.
You think it's near, but when you go there, it's so far.
I know, because it does look far.
Take a picture of those kanang signboard, send it to us. Kaya ko, kinantiers na mag-repaint. Nakita na ako sa Facebook. Buy some memory card.
Cellphone nang gamit eh.
Is that a lake? Oh.
Yellow delay.
Ang dala na mo dito.
Explore sa lake.
Lake na kasi yan, Cromok na. Unang Cromok, no? Ano, Lost Water. That's Lost Water, one of the lakes now.
Mountains. This is so galing naman.
That one is okay.
If you can...
Wow.
That one is safe.
Paddling, oh? Paddle.
You know, we could rent a boat.
Runnerdale. Yes, Runnerdale. Blue Bills.
Wow.
Appreciate the nature.
Kami supet pa sa una pag-abot dredging. That's why we love it. We love the area. This is our pastime here. Weekend.
Father, only must be doing for food.
Dito ma.
Okay.
Ha?
Bahay daming kwarto kasi dito na lagi ang reunion eh.
Royal
Hindi na problema ng bahay. Kumbanid na.
Kumbanid na.
This is the first time I've ever seen a mountain.
Yeah, you can have a picture.
Oh no, I've been to the Philippines.
Come on to the pit.
You can take picture of the mountain.
Oh wow, look what's ahead.
Running.
Oh, I thought we're going up the mountain.
No, you can just have a picture.
You think you can do it?
Just
Yes.
picture that.
Such a beauty of nature, isn't it?
Sa unahan, yan, part na yan. Tingnan mo yung Mission Impossible 3 ni Tom Cruise.
Really?
Yan sila nag-shoot.
Diyan sila nag-shooting?
And they're gonna be back to shoot the next ano yung episode nila na
Baka maka-extra na kayo niyan. Kahit taga-ano lang kayo, taga-sangga.
meron sila nag-ano man nagpaduol man tao nagkumusta
nag-ano?
yung mga workers kumusta niyo
Matang-matimingan na nandito ba kayo?
okay man siya approachable man tawagan mo bibi tulog siguro to bantag apo siguro
Para rin siyang vulkan na sa taas ba nung ano no? Tapos para yung usok-usok niya yung ano ba?
bato
Yan talaga the beauty of nature.
Come back now, it's plenty more to go. You look small there.
Yeah, really.
Ano ka makajump ka dani Jing?
Oo, sige lang.
Awiran ta ka.
Na nagbe-video pa yun na.
Ini oh pero
Nakikita ko.
gini ba almost half the work dire. Pero may gini na tubig karon oh grabe ka.
Murag kuan siya sa murag
Nawala.
kanal ba?
Pero may gini na tubig. Di gini
Ah.
karon nauna.
Sige.
No, my sword just flew.
Right.
Me as well. Well, we're just admiring the beauty in that Lake District, and it's amazing.
Really cool, you know,
And I
the
need to
beauty of
delete,
nature.
all these random videos I have
Soon.
because it's taking up my storage.
Right. Come on, kid, this is a passing way.
Yes, I found a 13-minute video.
Look, 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 look. Kaya may napaparking patrol na ngayon kasi hindi na madadaanan minsan.
Lalo pag
Oh
ano.
my gosh, imagine if Mom Nina...
Saan may pag-view sa nagpasel namin dito?
Saan siya ngayon?
Oxford.
Oxford siya?
For your house.
There's definitely no places in house like this. Bro, Whitehaven is a town.
Look at that. Passing way dapat.
Passing, dapat nilagyan ng yellow na rin sana yun. Tingnan mo, dyan na sila nagpapark. Mahirapan ng tao.
Seaford.
Right now.
Wow. May video film eh.
Wow.
You're back in London, didn't Google it, tell me the Lake District. There are a lot.
Really? I didn't know.
Because it's free, so look at that. People just park in there.
Mangima na ito, mangima.
Tako. Thank you, dyan mo na.
Mom, what's the point? Just choose one.
Atras naman si passing place diri buang.
Gawin mo lang ng bakasyonan. There's another lake.
That's a third. This is a third lake on that side. It's one of the Mission Impossible.
Buttermeat.
Buttermere.
We got Mir, Deer. We got local ice cream here.
Don't miss the ice cream.
Ice cream na.
It's very popular.
So good for your pimples.
Thank you. Hope to see you again soon. Okay, thank you for choosing.